Bombo Radio Iloilo studio and business office is located at 6th, 7th, and 8th floors of the Sky City Tower, Hava Street, Iloilo City, while the transmitter is located at Barangay Lubok, La Paz, Iloilo City. DYFM Bombo Radio Iloilo is operated and maintained by the following personnel, duly licensed by National Telecommunications Commission, Department of Information and Communications Technology. Network Engineer, Randy Tenaha. Central Engineering Department Head, Marte Navarro. Bombo Radio Western Visayas Area Technical Supervisor, Adolfo Trespecios Jr. Bombo Radio Iloilo Chief Technician, Chris Helogo. Electronic Communication Engineer, Brennan Laguerta. First Class Radio Telephone Operator, Nelson Baron, Norme Amonoy, and Romel Empestan. DYFM Bombo Radio Iloilo is now signing on. May you be informed and entertained by listening to our program. Have a pleasant day ahead of you.
Bayang magiliw, katansilanganan, alam ng puso, sa bibig mo'y buhay. Luang hirang, tuyan na lang magiging, sa manlulupi, di ka matitim. Sa nakatak bundok, sa simoy at sa langit kong bakaw, may nilanang tula at awit sa bagayang minamahal. Ang islap ng wataw at muli tagumpay na naging. Ang bituin na tayo niya kailan pa may magdidilim. Luwa ng